It's important to inspect your crawl space, but not all homes have crawl spaces. In this video, we will talk about why that is. My name is Sage. I'm a project manager at AccuLevel. Have you tried to find your home's crawl space and can't figure out why you can or can't find it? This video will tell you why or why not. A lot of homes in this area have crawl spaces due to the fact that crawl spaces make the home easy and cost efficient to insulate at the time of building. It's easy to put an HVAC system in there, and also if a crawl space is built correctly, it's easy to keep heat, trap heat, and make the floors warm. And just easily insulate the house. Crawl spaces were popular to build during the 1950s and 60s because technology for heated slabs have not come out yet. And in a lot of areas, basements were not cost effective enough to be built, and also did not make great insulators due to them being wet basements. Geographic location actually plays a huge part in whether or not it has a crawl space. Again, a lot of times slabs near either lakes, rivers aren't exactly effective just because of how the footings are structured. So crawl spaces, again, just make a good insulator because when you're near a river or a lake, like up in the Monticello area, it's extremely hard to insulate a house or put in. It's not cost efficient enough to put in an insulated slab. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you figure out why some homes have crawl spaces and others do not. Click the link below to go to the next video in our course. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe for more.